Hello and welcome to another episode of Teaching, Learning, Tutorials and Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use images in Adobe Illustrator. So let's first of all place an image or import an image. So you can do it in several ways. You can go to File, go to Place, and that will come up. So I've got my flower there, and I can just click here and it'll import it. And if I press Command minus minus minus, it's a huge file. Hold down Shift, Command plus plus plus, and click away. I've just imported my image. I'm going to delete that. If you go to Finder, I'm just on the Mac here. You can also click and drag it in. So, however way you want to do it. Okay. Place image, Command plus plus plus. Okay, click away. So, the next thing, let's crop the image. Let's see, so one click here. Once you click on here, if you look on the right hand side in the properties panel, you'll see crop image right here. Cropping a linked file embeds a copy of the original. The original file at the linked location is not affected. That's okay. And let's close that in. From the left hand side. And then apply. And we've just cropped our image. Next, if we go to image trace, you can find it also at the top menu here. Go to, for example, 6 colors. Tracing may proceed slowly with this large image. Would you like to continue? Note, to reduce the image size, rasterize to a low resolution using Object Rasterize. So it's just initializing now. And there you have it. And don't forget, you can also use different options here. So if I go to Command Z, image trace, you can also use 6 colors, 16 colors, shades of grey, line art, depending what you're looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.